Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. So today I am very excited to introduce Bol.com Data Scraper version 3.0. In previous videos, we discussed about the Bol.com Sellers Data Scraper and Auto Email Sender to send them emails in bulk. And now in this video, we will be discussing how you can scrap the Bol products by using this bot. So finally, when you get this zip file from me, extract it first into a simple folder, and after that, just run this exe file from this folder. So this is our bot. Here are two main scraping options. First for scraping products from single URL and second from multiple URLs. Let me show the URLs which it works for. For example, I type camping here. So here are the products. We have to simply copy its link and then the bot will scrap all these products including all the pages. And we can also scrap any seller's products. For example, I open this seller page and it has around 313 products. Here, just simple copy its link and paste in the bot. Now we will use this link. Once you put the link, just click the start button. Okay, it has opened the link and now it will scrap the products. Now it is scraping the data and some data columns are disabled by default. We can enable them from the options here. And if you are going to scrap a very large listing, you can use this email notification system to stay updated on your email. Okay. Now it is scraping the all data columns, and we can also count the number of rows by right clicking here, and it is scraping these data columns. And let me show you, it's a new feature. If you want to assign new EAN numbers to the scrapped products, then you must have a file having new EANs. For example, this one. Here we have to just import this file into our bot and it will then assign one by one EANs to this scrap data. Here you have to import that file and now it will assign the new EAN numbers to these products. Now it is assigning the new EANs, and we can also scrap the more than one images of each product, and we can also download them. I am enabling it and show you how it downloads. It downloads the images by default in this folder. It will first create the folder named with the EAN number of the product, and inside it, it will download all the images in HD format. Okay. You can also change the images downloading path from here. For example, I am choosing my desktop and now it will download the images there. Now it is downloading the images on my desktop here. Okay. And if we enable images downloading, it will slows down the speed, but it will scrap all the products and download all the images. I am disabling it for now. And you can pause it or resume it at any time. So let it scrap some products. You can see the time here. I am going to pause the video for a while, and after that we will see the results and export this scrap data into Excel file. Okay, it has scrapped around 127 products, and now I show you how to export this data. Click export button and specify your output location. For example, I choose my desktop and select output format and export it. Okay, this is our exported data. Okay. So this is our bot. It's able to scrap thousands of products in a few hours. For example, I say it can scrap 15,000 products within 10 hours. It can save a lot of time. So if you guys have any questions or want to get this bot, you can contact me. The contact details are provided in the description. And I am open to custom projects. You can hire me if you need specific solutions or any type of web scraping services. That's all. Thanks for your time watching this video. Hope to see you in another video. Take care. Bye bye.